Hi, everyone. Welcome to Everyday Real English from Real Life podcast.
Welcome to Real English Podcast.
I'm Annie.
And I'm Brendy. How you doing today?
I'm feeling great. Really excited to be here. How about you?
I'm doing really well, thanks. And hey, if you're enjoying the show, we'd love it if you could like, subscribe, and maybe share it with a friend. It really helps our community grow.
It really does. Okay, so just a quick heads up.
It might feel fast, but that's just how Americans talk.
Yeah.
You'll hear it again later, so no pressure.
Exactly. So today, we're going to dive into something you hear all the time.
All the time. We're talking about phrasal verbs with the word give -e.
Yeah, and these little words, they pop up everywhere.
Oh, for sure. Like when you're just chatting with your friends.
Or at home with your family.
Even at work or at school. You know, when people are feeling tired or busy or...
Or even emotional. You probably hear these without even noticing them.
Right. And they can seem a little confusing, but our goal today is to make them really simple, really clear, and easy for you to use.
So let's get started. The first one is a big one. Give up.
Ah, the classic. So what does it mean to give up?
Well, it basically just means to stop trying, to quit.
Right. Or to stop doing something, like a habit.
Exactly. You often hear it used for bad habits or for tasks that are really difficult.
Like he gave up smoking. That's a really common one.
Yeah, that's stopping a habit. Or you could say, I gave up learning English last year.
Which means you quit.
Yeah,
But hopefully no one listening has done that.
definitely not. And that's why you also hear it as encouragement.
Oh,
Yeah.
all the time. Don't give up.
Okay, let's try a little role play. Imagine I'm trying to learn an instrument and it's so hard.
Okay.
Ugh, this guitar's impossible. I just can't get it. I think I'm gonna give up.
Hey, don't give up. You're actually improving so much. Just keep trying.
See? Simple as that.
And here's a quick grammar tip for you. We always say, give it up.
Right. Not give up it. That sounds a little strange.
It does. Okay, let's practice. Repeat after me. Don't give up.
Great job.
So what's next?
Next up is give in. And this one is different from give up.
Very different. It feels more like negotiation, maybe.
That's a perfect way to put it. To give in means you finally agree to something after resisting it. You stop fighting.
Ah, so you yield to pressure.
Exactly.
Oh.
It's so common with, like, parents and their kids.
Oh, yeah. The kids asked for ice cream over and over, and she finally gave in.
Yes. Or maybe, I didn't want a dog, but my family kept asking, so I gave in.
And now you love the dog, of course.
Of course. Another one is don't give in to peer pressure. That's a really important one.
For sure. Okay, let's try another role play. Let's say I want to order a pizza for dinner.
Okay, but we just ate an hour ago. No, we don't need pizza.
Oh, but please. I'm still hungry. It would be so good.
Size. Okay,
Again.
okay.
Hey, yeah.
I give in. You win. Let's get pizza.
It works every time.
It really does. Okay, now it's your turn to practice. Repeat after me. Finally, I gave in.
Pause. Perfect. Okay, let's move on to the next one. This one is really interesting. Give out.
Oh, this is a good one because it has two very different meanings.
Right. So let's start with the first one, meaning A is to distribute something.
Yeah, to give something to a lot of people, like a teacher or maybe a store.
For example, the teacher gave out the worksheets.
Or the store is giving out free coupons. Pretty simple, right?
Yeah, that one makes sense. But then there's meaning B,
Which is when something stops working.
like a machine breaks, or even a part of your body gets too tired.
Exactly. You might say, I was on a call and my phone battery gave out.
Or the motor of the boat gave out in the middle of the lake.
Oh, that's a bad situation. You also hear it with people like, his legs gave out after the long hike.
Right, they just couldn't go anymore. Okay, role play time. Let's say you were supposed to meet me an hour ago, but you're just showing up now.
Hey, sorry I'm so late. You won't believe what happened.
What happened? I was getting worried.
My car gave out on the freeway. Had to wait for a tow truck.
Oh, no. That's terrible. I'm glad you're okay.
Phew. See how that works. It's a great excuse.
It is. Okay, let's practice this one. Repeat after me. My battery gave out.
Pause. You're doing great.
What do we have next?
The next one is give away. This one also has a couple of meanings.
What's the first one?
The first meaning is to give something for free. You know, like a donation or a gift.
So if I say, I'm giving away my old clothes.
That's it. Or a radio station might say they're giving away free tickets to a concert.
Okay, that's the nice meaning. What's the other one?
The other one is about secrets. To give away something means to reveal a secret.
Ah, like spoilers for a movie.
Exactly. You might say to your friend, shh, don't give away the ending of the movie.
Or sometimes it's not on purpose.
Yeah.
Like her smile gave away the surprise.
That's a great example. Your body language revealed the secret.
And there's a little grammar note here too, isn't there? About word order.
Yes, this is a good one. So you can say, I gave away the tickets, or I gave the tickets away. Both are fine.
But if you use a pronoun like it or them, it has to go in the middle.
It has to. So you say, I gave it away, never I gave away it.
Got it. Okay, quick role play. Let's say I'm trying to hide a surprise birthday gift for you.
What are you hiding behind your back?
Nothing. It's, nothing at all. Just my hands.
You're smiling in a very suspicious way. Your face gave it away. You got me something, didn't you?
Sighs.
Ah!
I can never keep a secret from you.
Okay, your turn to practice. Repeat after me. Don't give it away.
Nicely done.
All right, let's do 2 more really quick ones. They're super useful.
A lightning round. I like it. What's first?
First is give off. This means to produce something like a smell or heat or light or even a feeling.
A feeling. What do you mean?
We often say someone gives off a vibe. That's a very common phrase in American English.
Oh, right. So you could say, that candle gives off a nice smell.
Or you could say, he's very quiet, but he gives off a calm vibe.
I see. And what's the last one?
The last one is simple. Give back.
To return something to its owner.
That's it. I need to give this book back to the library. Or I'll give it back to you tomorrow.
Okay, let's try to combine those two in a quick scenario.
Yeah.
Let's say we're at my house and it's cold.
It's freezing in here. Your heater isn't giving off much heat.
I know, it's broken. Here, you can borrow my sweater.
Oh, thanks so much. This is really nice.
No problem. Just make sure you give it back tomorrow.
I will, I promise.
Okay, one last practice for this section. Everyone repeat after me. I will give it back.
Pause. Amazing.
Wow, that was a lot. Should we do a quick review?
Yes, let's do a quick recap to help it all stick.
Okay, so give up is.
To stop trying.
Give in is.
To finally agree or yield to pressure.
Give out. This one has 2.
Right, to distribute something or for something to stop working.
Give away.
Also to give something for free. Or R, to reveal a secret.
And the last 2 quick ones. Give off.
To produce a smell or heat or a vibe.
And finally, give back.
To return something.
Okay, I think it's time for a little pop quiz.
Ooh, okay. I'm ready. And you at home can play along.
Perfect. I'll say a sentence with a blank, and you fill it in.
Yeah.
Question 1. My old computer finally stopped working. It.
Gave out.
Correct. Gave out. Okay, number 2. I don't need these shoes anymore. I will.
I will give them away.
Exactly. Give them away. Number 3. The math problem was too hard, so I
gave up.
You gave up. All right, last one. Please don't tell me the ending. Don't.
We would give it away.
Perfect score. How did you do at home?
I'm sure you did wonderfully. And remember, phrasal verbs can feel hard, but you don't need to learn them all at once.
That's such a good point. Maybe just pick one from today's lesson. Just one to practice this week.
The goal isn't perfect memorization. It's about understanding real, everyday English.
Right. So whatever you do, don't give up.
We really hope this was helpful. And if you liked it, please remember to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends.
And if you want to review today's lesson, I uploaded a free PDF summary in the description and the comments. Feel free to download it and study at your own pace.
See you next time.